In a quiet town, there lived a young woman named Sarah. She was curious and always eager to learn new things. One day, she overheard a conversation about a nearby slaughterhouse, a place she'd only heard of but had never seen. The conversation was hushed, filled with stories of horror and pain. Driven by her innate curiosity, Sarah decided to visit the slaughterhouse, not knowing what to expect. As she entered, a chilling silence enveloped her, broken only by the occasional moans of the animals inside. The sight that met her eyes was one of unimaginable suffering, a stark contrast to the serene world she'd known. Sarah witnessed animals crammed together, fear and despair in their eyes, waiting their turn for the end. The noise of machinery, the smell of blood, and the palpable fear in the air overwhelmed her senses. She thought of the words, "If you visit the killing floor of a slaughterhouse, it will brand your soul for life." In that moment, Sarah understood the profound impact this experience had on her soul. It wasn't just witnessing the cruelty, it was the feeling of shared suffering, of innocent lives cut short. She realized that some experiences are so haunting that they leave an indelible mark on one's conscience. After her visit, Sarah decided to become an advocate for animal rights. She spoke out against the horrors she'd seen, dedicating her life to making others aware of the suffering that occurs in such places. Her journey embodied the truth that the sights of a slaughterhouse were enough to brand her soul, compelling her to make a change and fight for compassion and justice for all beings.